Wow. Jake had the bright idea to take the ballast from that one I don't use and put it right here. So now the light's fixed. It's a sad day, but this is what y'all wanted. Y'all see these big gaps right here? When I go to pattern, I just have to pattern in about a 1/2 inch on each side, or else it'll be way too tight right here when I go to sew it back up. What are you doing? Oh yeah. Is that what the CrossFit guys do? I'm gonna do CrossFit pull-ups. Hold on.
There you go.
No, I worked all my muscles.
Alright, I'm doing 500 pull-ups, one set.
Alright, ready? 1. Alright, I cut it.
Alright.
499. 500.
Wait.
Wow. You did it! Uh-oh. Let me see your progress. Let me micromanage you out here. Wow. Looking good.
Vinyl flooring on top of the carpet.
Yes, that's what we're doing.
That's what we do here.
Yeah, the sun areas.
Yeah.
Yeah, right till it gets to the middle. Long bolts. I'll get Yep, you're right. I don't know how we're gonna do that, but we'll figure it out. I'll have a big smile on my face when I do that one. Anyways, good luck with the weather. I've got some sewing to do.
Love that.
These two done. This is my last pontoon. Y'all know anybody that needs their seats recovered? I've got a spot for you right there. See, this is what I was talking about earlier. I'm gonna have to add some to this area here. Kind of goes like that, because this is where the gap was. So this goes straight, and you can see where the thread started coming loose. So the gap was about like this, and then it comes back in like that. So now it won't be extremely tight if I just went off the pattern. I'll just put our marks in. Add extra to staple to, and that's what it should look like. So I laid it on here. You can see how it fills that gap like that instead of curving in like that. Trying to get this ski bar off. First part.
Let me show it.
Yeah.
Yep, there's the bolt. Gotta get it somehow.
Be out here for an hour getting that one bolt off. Last piece. Go right here. This is the longest piece in the boat, if you couldn't tell. Until about right here. This is going to be a long strip to sew. Yeah. Yeah, I know. I can get that slid on around here. Relief cuts. make our cuts up until about right there. Tack this side down. This side, tack this side down. Line up our seam with the foam. Everything down. Let's pull this over. Get it where it needs to be. Like right there. Things lined up good. Yep. Like that. So what's the first thing we do? We pull the curve. See, y'all are learning. Tack it down in the corner, cut the corner like that. Around here, pull it hard. Okay, so it's pretty much the whole back. I'll line it up here. Tack it. Corner down, if you don't mind. Area right here. Pull it down straight. Don't pull it this way, don't pull it that way, pull it down straight. And that way it's pulled that way and pulled that way. And then you'll come to the center, pull it straight down, and the wrinkles will kind of come in. Got that situated. It's one of those times where you wish you had a long nose. I'm gonna switch this out with a shorter stapler. And tack it down. See, butts up against the console. And then make a few relief cuts. All right, let's do it. All right, it's the furthest one from me. All right, keep going.
How long these are?
Yeah. Just don't cut a wire.
I didn't think
go.
This is why I'm gonna get a.
Here's the long bottom patterned out. Long bottom sewn up. Curved one sewn up. Looking good. All right. See, all the wrinkles went away when I pulled it down here.
You have to take the bed.
There's the bench done. Simple